Well, there is a lot of bipartisan support for going after TikTok, but we've seen some major shifts and some unusual positions on this, starting at the White House.
Mama Kelsey, I understand she makes great chocolate chip cookies.
President Biden made a splash earlier this year when his campaign joined TikTok. A flash forward a few months, and he's willing to sign off on a potential ban.
If they pass it, I'll sign it.
That would be quite a flip for the president now to sign off on a bill that is quickly gaining momentum on Capitol Hill that could force TikTok's parent company with links to China to sell the site or face a ban in the U.S. At the same time, former President Trump, who once supported a ban, now seems to be softening his stance, posting, "If you get rid of TikTok, Facebook and Zuckerschmuck," a reference to Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg, "will double their business." And Trump's not alone.
Banning TikTok, maybe that's necessary to protect American data from China, but if you can find a way to avoid that, that'd be good too.
Defenders of TikTok say it's a matter of free speech, and TikTok has been lobbying hard, including urging users to call members of Congress who have been arguing that the site is downright dangerous.
TikTok sort of proved our point yesterday. We had kids. It was compelling kids to call members of Congress, in some cases threatening suicide.
Usually it's the staffers on the House who answer the phones are quite young, and they would say, "Does your teacher know you're calling us right now?" And they would get a hang up.
And this is a delicate issue around here, with politicians wanting to crack down on TikTok while at the same time trying desperately to reach its huge audience of young potential voters. In Washington, Doug Luzader, Fox News.